Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're unboxing and putting the Buildskill 1800W high-speed heat gun to the test. Is this the best budget heat gun for electronics, shrink wrapping, and paint removal? Let's find out. We'll be looking specifically at the copper motor durability and how quickly it reaches its dual temperature settings in a real-world test. That's great. To attract tech users, you need to focus on specific, measurable performance metrics and the engineering behind the features. Performance and airflow engineering. This isn't just a hot air blower. It's an 1800-watt high-speed thermal unit. The pure copper motor ensures superior electrical conductivity and thermal resistance, translating to consistent, high-volume airflow for optimal heat dispersion. This engineering guarantees minimal thermal fluctuation, which is critical for precision tasks like shrinking electronic components or professional vinyl application. Technical metric to test: time to temperature. How fast does it hit 400 and 550? Pro tip: emphasize that the 1800 output provides a high airflow rate, which makes the difference between slow heating and rapid, efficient work. Dual stage precision temperature control. Gain complete thermal command with two distinct, calibrated temperature stages. Stage I: the low setting, optimized for delicate electronics, soldering/desoldering, heat shrink tubing on wires, and curing sensitive resin art without burning. Stage 2 550: the high setting, delivering concentrated thermal power for heavy-duty applications like stripping multi-layered paint, thawing frozen pipes, and bonding high-temperature materials. Technical metric to mention: the 400 to 550 range is ideal for almost all DIY/pro projects, offering a 150 thermal differential for flexibility. Ergonomic fatigue reducing ergonomics. The unit features an optimized, lightweight pistol grip design with a balanced center of gravity, minimizing operator fatigue during prolonged use. This design choice, combined with a lock-on switch, allows for stable hands-free operation when placed on a workbench, essential for precision work or continuous curing. Ultra-fast heat-up element, integrated with a high-efficiency heating coil. This hot gun machine achieves operational temperature in seconds, not minutes. This rapid thermal response drastically cuts down on project start time, making it the ideal quick-draw tool for any heat application. Commercial-grade build quality. Engineered for maximum life cycle, the heat gun incorporates a robust, heat-resistant casing and overload protection within the copper motor. This ensures the unit maintains peak 1800 performance and reliable heat output even after extended use, representing a true long-term return on investment for both professional tradespeople and dedicated hobbyists. So, there you have it. The Buildskill 1800-watt heat gun is a powerful contender, especially with that reliable copper motor. If you're tackling paint stripping or getting into resin art, this dual temp beast is worth checking out. Click the link in the description right now if you want to grab this heat gun or see the latest price. Do you prefer a 400 low setting for precision, or do you always crank it up to 550? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Before you leave, hit that like button if you found this technical breakdown useful, and subscribe for more honest tool reviews and DIY deep dives. And tell me, what's the first project you'd use this 550 power for? Let me know in the comments below. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss my next tool battle. Thanks for watching.